Hi and welcome to Deep Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. I know a lot of you are looking for ways to make money with Clickbank, and today might be one of those days if you actually follow my lead. Now, this is going to be straight up training from beginning to end. We're going to create an ad on Bing. I want to use Bing as an example that, it does work, and I like using Bing as testing offers. And one offer that I haven't really tested before and wanted to check it out is this relationship offer on Bing. Okay, so let's go and find this relationship. I never did this before. I actually created an ad right before this ad. I did a training, but it took too long, and I want to just shortcut it a little bit. So let's promote this. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get my links, and these are the steps that you're gonna do if you want to do direct linking. Generate hop links. Copy this link, and in your browser, copy paste that specific link. Follow me step by step, do exactly what I'm doing. This link right here, copy it and keep it somewhere safe. That's the ad you're going to be creating and directing links, directing everybody to. If you see this question mark and hop equals dpapa187, it knows that it's coming from me. So if somebody came and purchased this, you can also double check yourself if your links are attached to this, your affiliate links. So if I go down here onto this sales offer part where people are going to purchase, you can see that the affiliate is me. Okay, and that's another way that you can check if you have the right links and if everything's working properly. Now, our next thing is to actually create an ad on Bing Ads. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to bingads.com. You're going to create an account there. It's easy to create one and everything like that. Okay, I've got 3 accounts and I've got another 5-10 accounts in general. Trust me, Bing has a lot of potential and a lot of you are missing out. I'm going to go to campaigns and I'm going to go ahead and create campaign. Okay, I'm going to click visits to website, and in this campaign I'm going to name it His Secret Obsession Case Study. I'm going to put $10 as my budget options, and I'm going to choose my specific locations, which are United States. I'm going to choose United States. I'm going to choose Canada. Follow my lead. Australia. New Zealand. South Africa. And United Kingdom. Okay, then I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to uncheck this, and then I'm going to go to save and go to next. Now in this ad group, I'm going to put His Secret Obsession 1. I'm going to put His Secret Obsession Review. His Secret Obsession in brackets. Okay, and I'm just gonna leave that as that, and I'll show you why, and I'll tell you why. Now I'm gonna create an ad, and in this ad, if you remember very clearly, the actual link to the offer that you're promoting. So you're gonna click on that. Once again, generate your hop link, copy this, put it in your browser, okay, and get the end result that switches, which is this one.
Hi,
here.
my name is James.
Okay, so you're gonna copy this, come back, and you're gonna place it in there. The first title of this would be something that has to do with this offer. So what does this offer say? Well, you're gonna have to do your little research in terms of this specific one. And the way that you can do this is actually come back to the offer and come into the affiliate page. And in the affiliate page, there are different things that you can be using from here. One good place to look at is text and news ads, etc. You can go straight to the tools area. They have a lot of things for you to choose and information to get started. Okay, so if I went to, let's see, text ads, I'm gonna choose some of these things. Okay, how to get inside his mind. Copy that. Come back into the ad campaign. Put that there. Title part 2. Let's see what else they got for us. Let me take this. I'm gonna mix and match. Exceeded. Okay, so let me scratch that and choose something else. I like that one, but I might need some editing. Oh, we're good. Okay, the truth about how men work, blah blah blah. Now in here, what I can do is come back again. Let's see. Let me copy that. Let me come back here and see. So, okay, let me get that. And use that. Okay, now I'm going to click on save. I'm going to scroll down, save, and go to next. I will choose manual and I will choose 0.42 and we'll start off with that. It's showing me a low number. Let me try 0.2. Let me see one. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna put 0.42 for now, and I'm gonna fix everything later. So device, what I want to do here is actually try something new. Okay, so I'm gonna increase this by 30%. I'm gonna increase this by 10 and increase this by 60, so it comes up to 100. Okay, save. Got it. Now I'm gonna go back in just to double check everything's the way I want it. Okay, so that's the one ad group. Okay, and then on a second ad group, I want to create another second ad group. His secret obsession 2. Okay, create an ad. Again, same situation. So let me fix that. So I'm adding my links and then I'm going to create the ad. All right, so I created a new one and clicked on save. Okay, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and add a bunch of keywords that I have in play to create this ad group too. Okay, so I'm taking these keywords, I've added them in there. I'm going to go ahead and put like 0.42 and let's click on save. Now I'm starting with 0.42 because it's something that I always start with, and then I increase as it goes if it's profitable. Okay, but now I've created my ads. Okay, so I have 2 ads that have been created. Okay, now this needs pending editorial. I think there's something in here that they don't like. Sex, it should be sex. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the sex. I knew that was going to happen. Okay, and now it's eligible. So just so you know, if that comes out, it's because of a certain word and everything. So these 2 are ready to go. But if I wanted to maximize my ROIs, I would actually use my Bing Bang Profit software. And this is how I would do this. So I've created 2 ads. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the same method on finding ads that are similar to this. So I just put his secret obsession, seen what kind of ads are being pulled out, and these are ads that are currently running right now in the US. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the ones that are related to mine. Okay, so I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to choose 3. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and create Bing ads. I'm going to go and refresh this. and this is connected to my Bing Ads account on Bing. So what it's gonna do is gonna pull up the ads that I've created already, the actual ad group, and everything like that. And watch, there's more things to it. I'm going to show you how we're going to be tracking everything when you make a sale, and you'll know where it's coming from. You're going to be able to split test, and it's all done through this software that we created. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to find this one that we created. This is the case study that I'm creating right now. You can see that there are two ad groups, but for ad group 1, we're going to use this. It's already pulling the links properly. Okay, and then these have been added to that ad group. Now what I want to go do next is find the keywords that are working for this specific keyword that have been used in those ads that have been created. So you can see that these ones right here, I'm seeing a lot of ones that are not perfect for secret obsession. Okay, it's getting confused with something else. Okay, I'm going to use these keywords. I'm going to add them into the campaign. And once again, I'm going to use the case study. And then I'm going to put point 42. And then what I can do here is add these keywords. At the same time, I can add them again, okay, as exact. And I can add them again as phrase. You can play around with these keywords. And not only that, you can actually search for more keywords in terms of whatever your niche is. So let me put relationships, and let me explore, and this is going to give me more ads that I can use if I wanted to, or get more keyword ideas. Okay, so these look like something that I can use. So I'm going to go back to Bing Suggest and click on Explore. And I can filter out these keywords by clicks, whatever. So for maximum ROI and everything like that. But I'm just going to go ahead and choose all of them. These look like perfect keywords that I can add to this specific campaign in my Secret Obsession 1. Okay. Going to add these keywords. Perfect. You can do the same thing for a phrase, for exact, and all that crazy stuff. All right, we're done with that part. Now, if I go into my campaign right here, remember there were two. All I have to do is just refresh this. And now you're going to see a lot more ads placed here. I forgot how many we chose. Okay, so you see all these have been added. All right. Now, another cool thing is that if you go into one of the ads, you're going to see that you don't have anything that's tracking things. So what we've done is we've added another feature where you can actually have links to your offers, and it's all connected. And the way that this works is that if I wanted to create a link, I would come here and put like his secret obsession case study 1. Okay. C1. Choose the network that you're working with. So we're choosing Clickbank, Bing Ads, case study, case. I'm just going to put case, and the actual link, which is this one right here, this one. Okay. So let me generate my hop link, come back, and don't worry about what you've created already with the other links. What this is going to do, it's going to be pushed into your ads account. It's pretty cool. All right, so here's the case study. Now watch this. If I wanted to set my tracking in my ad, all I have to do is click on set tracking, choose the actual case study campaign, choose which one you want to track. So for ad group 1, we're going to track this one right here. So this will be case study 1. I'll just put case study. I'm going to set this. Now this is going to be added to all these specific campaigns that we created. So if I go to my ads, so let me go back to my ads. Okay, let me go to Secret Obsession 1, ads, and if I go to any of these ones, you can see that this has been added, case study. The actual tracking link has been added as well, so when you make a sale, you know from which one, etc. And this has been added to all the ones that have to do with the group number 1. Okay. Now, in order to create more ads, again, I come here, I choose the ones that I want. Okay. I create my Bing ads, and this time I'm going to go ahead and choose the Secret Obsession 2 and then do the same thing. So these 3 ads have been added. I'm going to go to Bing Suggest. I'm going to go ahead and choose these as my keywords, add them into my campaign. Once again, this is going to be for the group number 2. Okay, and then add these keywords as well. And once I'm done with that, I can do extra stuff like even split test my actual campaigns from the 2 things. Now, the split testing tool might not be available yet. It's the links, which is collecting, tracking everything. You'll be able to track from sales, keywords, and all that through our system right here. This is not available yet. It will be available for you to invest in. Now, for this specific one, let's say we're doing the case study one, split test. I'm not sure if it's going to work though, because it's still in work. We're still testing it. So I can see I've got 2 ad groups. I want to choose to split test the keywords or type what's working. Okay. Choose the link, and then you can have it run for like 72 hours or, you know, get like 100 clicks. The first one to get 100 clicks. Run for how many hours? Like, you know, I would put 72, test it for 3 days and then create. But I don't know if it's going to work, the server error. So Alex is still working on it, but you'll be able to split test from the ads that are working and from the ads that you've created. Okay. So right now this campaign is running with all these ads that I've created based on the specific offer that we have here. Okay. So this was all done really easily using my specific one. So that was ad group 1, and if I go to ad group 2, where is it? Let me go to 2. You're going to see different ads for these. Okay. And it's all been created. And if I come here, you can see that, oh, I need to add my links. So back to my links. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add this one actually to set tracking link to the case study to Obsession 2. Okay, so this is case study 2. Set. Done. Come back. Okay, if I go back to my ads, once again, case study 2 has been added. One sec, wrong one. Let me go to Secret Obsession 2, and you're gonna see here, whoops, 1 second. Let me refresh. You can see it right here. I've refreshed it, case study 2, and the tracking has been added and everything is set. Okay, so this is how my Bing Bang Profit software works. This is how we create an ad campaign on Bing. You can do this manually. You can do this using my software. You can save time and you can get maximum ROI using my software because it finds what's working right now and what could get you quick results using really simple ads that you're using from other people, from other top ads that are running right now. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to pick it up from my links below. Hope you enjoyed this training, this promo, this my software. Again, the link tool and everything else is not available yet. The link, domain, and split test. The rest are, and training also to help you generate commissions on Clickbank using my methods and everything like that. Okay, you can be profitable in 24 hours. Sometimes it could be profitable in 48, but usually people do come out profitable using the software and finding a niche that I didn't even think of, for example. So this might get me results, it might not. We'll see. I'll talk to you in the next episode. Peace out.